Good afternoon from AlphaCars. Today we're checking out this 2016 Porsche Boxster Black Edition. We are very fortunate to be representing this vehicle through our consignment program. And I can tell you, this vehicle is in fantastic condition. It only has a tad over 10,000 miles. Absolutely no accidents, no damage, anything of that nature. And as we walk around the vehicle, this Black Edition with some of its very nice factory options looks fantastic. We are very fortunate to be representing this vehicle for a local customer of ours. He was fortunate to find this vehicle and get it from the West Coast, where it spent most of its life. Very seldomly driven, as you can tell. And this is probably the first time it's ever been out in the cold. Paint condition is phenomenal, as you expect with any Porsche. Some minor chips on the front fascia, but nothing major at all. The rims, tires are in great condition. All the rims are flawless. There's no curb rash or anything on them. The tires are about 60 to 75% life remaining. However, they are the original tires. So just based off age, they are a little bit older. This Porsche had an estimated MSRP of around $78,000. And this was on top of the Black Edition package. It includes a host of very nice features. Stepping inside on the passenger side, see the black leather contrasted by the carbon fiber trim along the cup holder area. The wheel well sporting the Black Edition motif. The seats are premium. Absolutely no signs of wear. Embossed headrest. The accent bars behind this wheel or behind the seats are in great condition. That's kind of an added option onto the Black Edition that comes with the Black Edition. Black colored exterior to match roll bars. You have your retractable spoiler. This one also comes with the clear style taillights with the black interior, which was an optional upgrade the original customer purchased it with. It has dual sport exhaust, which is with an actuating valve to make it louder when you need it. Looking at the driver's side, same story on this side. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Black seats, front seats, minimal to no signs of wear. A little bit on the corner here. This one has the Porsche Drive, so the keyless start feature. Has heated front seats, and the manual transmission, and all the cool features, including Sport Plus, Sport Mode, raise and lower the roof, exhaust, and raise and lowering the spoiler. The Sport Chrono package with the lap timer in the center. This one also has navigation. And we'll take a look at the trunk space real quick. Alrighty. 2 floor mats. And the cavernous front trunk. Nice and clean, nice and tidy. The owner says, you know, on very rare occasions was anything ever kept in the trunk. Just his weekend bag for him and his wife. Checking out the trunk. Same story. We have the original document panel with pen. And just a very nice and clean trunk area. Well, let's fire it up, see how it sounds. We'll raise the top so you can check that out. Very seamless operation in these Porsches these days for top functionality. There you go. 10,654 miles. Fires right up. Navigation screen. Bose sound system, 6-speed manual transmission, and just a very throaty sound. Heated front seats. Fire those on for both passenger and driver. Automatic climate control, which is a very nice feature. Very throaty sound from the exhaust. Full set of owner's manuals. There are 2 keys. Some touch-up paint. Very neat and tidy glove compartment as well. Let's raise the top. Utilizing this little switch down here. Windows will go down slightly, and the top will come up. Fully automated these days. And just like that, you are protected from the elements. Let's step outside. I'll show you the top condition. We'll go from there. I'll leave it running so we can hear the exhaust note as well. Top is in great condition. It's probably spent most of its life retracted. So there are a little bit of wear spots, but nothing major. No holes, no deviation, no splits or anything like that. Great condition. Yeah. Taking a step back, we'll listen to the exhaust for a second. A wonderful throaty. We are super excited to be representing this vehicle through our consignment program. And if you have any questions about this Porsche or any other car in our inventory, we'd love to hear from you. Feel free, give us a call, 978-263-9000. Check us out on the web at alphacars.com. Or if you're in our area, feel free to stop in. We'd love to show you around. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.